Hey, I'm welcome to Crafty. Happy Easter! Today we're covering how to make some little Peep keychain plushies. This is really simple and great for beginners. Here's a list of everything you need. If you don't have beads, you can always use a bit of black fabric and sew small circles in their place, or even use small safety eyes if you have them. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is linked in the description and is for free from my DeviantArt and my Pinterest. Use the A4 paper option and fit to page if you need to. The first thing you need to do is place the pattern piece over one side of the body piece and hover your fabric marker over here. Then remove the pattern piece and draw on each of the dots. Once done, use this as a guideline to sew on the beads with the matching thread to the colour bead that you're using. After that, place two pattern pieces together, tracing facing up, and begin sewing them together. I started my sewing line near the bottom as it's easier to flip later on from there. When you've nearly reached where you started, leave a gap and flip it upright, making sure the ears are folded out entirely. Then stuff it. Use an invisible stitch to close off the gap once done. Lastly, take some pliers if you have them and open up the loop of the keychain. Then, hook this carefully onto a string of whichever ear you want it to hang from. When it's securely on, close the loop. And that is how you make a Peep keychain plushie. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!